If you're in the market for a large luxury sedan, the Volvo S90 is a great choice. This lovely T6 all-wheel drive Momentum is a particularly nice example we have acquired. It's a clean Carfax vehicle, beautiful shape inside and out. For 2017 model year, the S90 replaces the S80. It's Volvo's largest sedan, very luxurious, very opulent, and definitely a different take on things. The thing I like about Volvo is they really have their own design theme. They're a Scandinavian company. You know, Volvos have always had their own unique look and styling, and even in modern times, Volvo's been around for a long time, it's still the case. They're not trying to copy anyone else. And I like that because, you know, me being in the luxury car business for over, you know, I don't know, about 20 years, I'm in all sorts of luxury cars, and sometimes they tend to all blend together, especially, you know, the European ones, that, you know, the German cars and stuff like that. They all tend to look the same. Even some of the Japanese companies are, you know, they all kind of seem very similar, just the differences are a lot more slight, where Volvo is a completely different breath of fresh air. It's a very nice place to spend your daily commute. A very clean interior. It's not cluttered with buttons. A lot of the functionality is concentrated in the center stack, which makes it really nice. You can pick and choose and swipe and access different menus. It's really easy to use. Takes a little bit of learning, but once you get the hang of it, it's very straightforward and intuitive. You have heated seats, heated steering wheel. This one has a really nice sound system. We have the build sheet on this one. This is all-wheel drive, so great for the wet, slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. This features a 2-liter turbocharged and supercharged engine, pumping out 316 horsepower. It's also pretty fuel efficient with the help of an 8-speed automatic transmission. You'll average 25. It's rated at 22 city, 31 highway. We have lots of great driver's assistance and safety features. We have a, you know, forward collision warning. We have IntelliSafe, so it can detect large animals, cyclists, and stuff like that, and automatically brake for them. Then we have the Pilot semi-autonomous system. So what they mean, it's basically steering assist, so it will keep itself centered while driving on the highway. And with the adaptive cruise control, it will move the flow of traffic. You know, being semi-autonomous, it means they want you to keep your hand on the wheel and pay attention, but it takes a big workload off the driver when the car, you know, is taking the workload for you when driving on the highway, which is really a nice thing. I've had a chance to use many semi-autonomous systems. I have one in my own car, and once you get used to it, it really is hard going back to vehicles that don't have it. I find myself, you know, if I have to run errands for the store and taking a work vehicle, and if I have to drive on the highway, I'm going to take a vehicle that has some of these semi-autonomous driver's assistance systems. They're just so great. All right, and we have some packages on this one. We have the Momentum Plus package. That was $700, giving you active bending lights, headlights. Then we have a Thor's Hammer. Ooh, that's quite a name for daytime running lights and auto high beam. We have 4-zone electric climate control system with a cooled glove box, headlight high pressure cleaning, and Apple CarPlay and USB hub. Then we have the $1,950 vision package, giving you a 360 surround view camera, retractable rear view mirrors, automatically dimming interior and exterior mirrors, blind spot information system, and cross traffic alert. We have the climate package, which was $1,050, giving you a heated washer, nozzles, a heated rear seat, outer positions, heated steering wheel, and a heated windshield. Then we have the convenience package. That was $1,000, giving you a power operated trunk lid, home link, 12-volt power outlet, compass in the inner and rear view mirror, and park assist pilot and park assist front rear. Then we have a Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system. If you're a music lover, you'll appreciate that. It was a $3,200 upgrade for that sound system, and it sounds amazing, I can tell you that. This lovely shade of Osinium Gray Metallic was a $595 premium color. Original MSRP, $60,440, not a cheap car by any means. This one has 68,615 miles at the time of making this video. Really nice, clean interior. You can easily use this camera to pick different views, and this is the park assist system right there. We're not going to park right now, so we'll turn that off. Nice contoured steering wheel, feels wonderful in your hands. I love the completely digital gauge cluster of the analog style gauges. Nice rimless rear view mirror of integrated compass, universal garage door opener. We have a moonroof. And the nice thing about having a full-size sedan, you have lots of interior space, especially for people on the larger side. You're not going to feel cramped and claustrophobic by any means in this car, whether you're sitting in the front or the back. The rear seats are very spacious. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I have lots of legroom back here. Headroom, beautiful leather seats are in beautiful shape. Heated seats for the rear climate control. A large trunk with a cargo pass-through, and we have a WeatherTech cargo area protector, and this one has a WeatherTech all-season mats. And there's that beautiful Volvo exterior styling. It's kind of understated luxury, but very unique. Like I said, they're not copying anyone else. They have their own design theme, and it's very, very nice. I'm a big fan of the Volvo products. As a used car manager, you know, one of my jobs is to buy vehicles for our store, and I always like to get nice Volvos when I can get my hands on them. They're not always easy to find. And here's a fantastic engine. To maximize efficiency, we have a 4-cylinder engine, but they use turbocharging and supercharging. Usually it's either or, but they combined 2 methods of forced induction to pump out over 300 horsepower out of a 4-cylinder engine. So you have plenty of power. This thing scoots along very nicely, but also being a small 4-cylinder engine, it's also very fuel efficient. We have some great promotions going on right now. Complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this on our car hauler. We can tow it to you. So over a mobile delivery service, this beautiful S90 all-wheel drive can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or even your driveway. Contact us for more information, and thanks for taking the time today to watch this video.